Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today, the project I'm working on is my Lazy Susan, and I need a new color. I didn't have the green that I wanted, so I'm mixing it. I'm just taking my old chalk paste, Cool Breeze, and I'm mixing Bumblebee with it. Just a little bit at a time until I get the color I want. So if you don't have the exact color, you can mix them. You can customize them any way you want. All right, so I mix it up. I also added a little bit of water to it to get it the consistency I wanted, which is more like a yogurt. And just mix it good. Here's my two colors. I am going to use both Garden Herb and my new color. Here is the transfer I'm using. I am going to put on the Lazy Susan Vintage Laurel Wreath and the C Monogram. So I'm just cutting along on this transfer, and I just be careful that I don't cut into the netting, and you're good. Mark the backs because these are reusable, and you want to make sure you get the right sides back together. The shiny side of the backing to the sticky side of the transfer. And it's a big transfer, so this is how I take it off. I take the backing off and have the sticky transfer on the bottom. You don't want this big transfer to get stuck on itself. You can fix it, but it's a job. Just put it under water and it loses some of the stickiness. Okay, now I'm fuzzing it because it is a brand new transfer and I don't want to distort it by pulling too hard, taking it off. So I'm just showing you how I want to place it. I'm dabbing the two colors. The first one was the one I just made, and now the Garden Herb. I'm going to take a squeegee and just blend it in there. Just any old way. I don't think there's really a right or wrong. Then I'm going to come back and take off the excess. And once I have that done, I'm going to pull it and then place it back down softly, lightly. That is going to keep it from drying on the transfer, and it will go on your surface. I like this. Gives you a little bit more time when you're working with it. All right, now I'm going to work on the gold, and this is shimmer gold. It's a paste, not an ink. All this is paste. And again, the same process. You put it on with a squeegee, wipe off the excess, and then the reveal. Looks good. Now for the monogram. And we have a monogram for every letter in the alphabet and some and signs, and it's really cool because you could really customize this. Now I'm using the same color. Of course, this is an option too. You can do whatever colors you want. There it is. So if you like this and you would like to check it out some more or find out a little bit more about it, just go to my website, chalkcouture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, just browse around. See what you could find. Sure glad you came by. Thanks. Bye.